How to change who can reply to your Threads post. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Threads and want to control who can reply to your posts, then Threads lets you choose who can respond to each post, giving you more control over your conversations and privacy. First, open up your Threads application on your device. After you do that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then from your profile section, go ahead and find the post you want to change who can reply in it. Go tap the three dots right above the post, and then in the pop-up, click on Reply Options. In the reply options, you can select the available reply options such as anyone, your followers, profiles you follow, profiles that mention you, etc. Review your selection to make sure it matches your preference. Choose the available option. For example, if you want to be replied only by your followers, you can select your followers. If you want to be replied by anyone, choose anyone. Similarly, if you want to be replied to the post from the profiles you follow, select profile you follow, and you can also choose the profile that you mention option. Just select anyone and then click on done. So right after you do that, you will be able to change who can reply to your Threads post. You can do this in the new post that you create as well. So that's how you change who can reply to your Threads post. You can customize this setting for each post to make your conversations as open or as private as you'd like. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.